ऑल राइट, सो आज हमारे साथ हैं जसप्रीत एंड शी हैव अ 12-year-old child. And when she met me for the first time, when we had a conversation, she had major anger issues and had a very distorted relationship with her child. And within 2 months she have completely transformed her relationship with her child. So let's hear from her कि उन्होंने ये कैसे किया. So welcome Jaspreet first of all.
थैंक यू इशू, थैंक यू।
Okay. So हमें ये बताइए, how was your journey before joining this yogic parenting program?
Yes, so thank you first of all to know about my transformation, my journey. So before joining this program, I would say कि मेरी life it was a chaos. So I was constantly overwhelming, easily triggered, and gussa to it was like the anger was on the next level, right? And in all that, what I felt, I was losing maybe I would say emotional connection with my son because इतना ज्यादा गुस्सा आता था, इतना ज्यादा चिल्लाती थी, तो मतलब मुझे ये लग रहा था कि this needs to be changed. So it was like मतलब बहुत ज्यादा as I said it was a chaos. Yeah.
ओके. तो हाउ डिड यू लर्न अबाउट दिस योगिक पेरेंटिंग? आपने कैसे सोचा कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ ज्वाइन करना चाहिए? लाइक इट इज अ वेरी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट योगिक पेरेंटिंग. पहले आपने आई डोंट नो सुना था या नहीं सुना था इसके बारे में, बिकॉज ऐसा
हम्म,
कुछ पहले एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. दिस इज द
नहीं करता
फर्स्ट
है।
थिंग एवर. सो हाउ डिड यू गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि मुझे ये ज्वाइन करना चाहिए?
यस, जैसे आपने बताया कि मतलब पहले कभी नहीं सुना ना योगिक पेरेंटिंग, बिकॉज आई फॉलो यू ऑन द सोशल मीडिया ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, राइट? मैं काफी टाइम से आपको फॉलो भी कर रही थी, आपको देख भी रही थी ना, देन आई फेल्ट के अगर मतलब आप इतने अच्छे से आपके बच्चों का रूटीन है, आपका इतना अच्छा मतलब आप कर रहे हो, तो देन आई शुड, बिकॉज व्हाट आई फील कि जो मेरा और मेरे बेटे के साथ चल रहा है ना, इट नीड्स टू बी चेंज्ड। मतलब ऐसे दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल फॉर मी, right? Because I cannot lose connection, the emotional connection basically with my child, right? Because then I felt like I would say it was an inner calling from myself,
ओके.
and then I feel like I think this is it, I should go for it. Yes. Mhm.
ओके. तो आप अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बारे में कुछ बताओ. लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन यू जॉइंड योगिक पेरेंटिंग? उसके बाद हुआ क्या एग्जैक्टली?
Yeah, so when I joined this course, I did not expect this type of transformation, the transformation I got it. So I did not even expect के मतलब इसमें it's not about the parenting, it's not about you will become a good parent or loving parent. It is like it's like you will become a best version of yourself. It's like individual growth, I would say. अगर मैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का बताऊं, इट्स लाइक आई एम मोर अवेयर नाउ, more conscious, aware, and calm, as I mentioned in the community, right? Because we have a community, right? So as I mentioned in the community, calmness is my default setting. Before it was anger, my default
हम्म.
setting. Now it's calmness is my default setting, even in the challenging moments, like in the arguments, because my son, he's 12, he's a teenager, right? So we have arguments. In those moments, I'm able to like respond, not react as before, right? I'm able to respond with love, and I can listen to him, and then like I can respond with love instead of anger,
तो
right?
योर चाइल्ड इज लाइक 12 year old. ओके, सून ही विल
Yes.
बी 13. सो वो टीन्स में ही है बेसिकली, क्योंकि अब
Yeah,
तो
he's
टीन्स
preteen.
13,
He's preteen.
प्री टीन. बट आई बिलीव कि अब तो सिंस इतना ज्यादा चेंज हो रहा है अब सब कुछ, तो वो
Yes.
टीन्स जो है वो बहुत पहले ही आ जाता है. मुझे लगता है वो 13 से आता ही नहीं है, वो 10 के बाद ही आ जाता है.
आ
तो इज
जाता है, हाँ
ऑलमोस्ट
जी।
10. तो उसका क्या कहना है आपको ऐसे देख के? मतलब आप, योर चाइल्ड इज ऑल्सो फीलिंग अ चेंज इन यू?
Yes, yeah, because it like before joining this program, वो मुझे ऐसे ही बोलता था कि मम्मा, like you always mad at me, you always mad at me, like why you yelling, why you आप इतना गुस्सा क्यों करते हो, आप मुझ पे बहुत चिल्लाते हो। और मतलब अभी उसका ये रहता है कि मम्मा आई थिंक यू डोंट हैव अ एंगर इशू नाउ, आई थिंक यू डोंट हैव अ एंगर इशू नाउ। सो
तो अवार्ड मिल गया है, राष्ट्रपति अवार्ड मिल गया है फिर
yeah, so like this is the feedback I'm getting from my son. Yeah.
वाओ, दिस इज
And the
अमेजिंग।
relationship is getting better, and because the tools and the live sessions, the implementation sessions in the program, it's really helpful. It keeps us on the track.
ओके।
एंड ऑल्सो मतलब जो जो टीचिंग्स हैं, गाइडेंस है, उसके बाद मतलब इट्स इजी टू स्टे ऑन द ट्रैक, एंड इट्स easy to communicate, it's easy to be like more aware, conscious, right? And also especially like he's a teenager, and like in this program you teach us like how to communicate with the teenager, especially through the notes, right?
हम्म।
It's not like okay, the essay, it's like specific. So
हम्म।
I write down notes for him, sometimes the encouraging notes, even if I want to share something, if I want to maybe improve something like from him, then I can just write down in the note, and I just keep it on his
हम्म।
bed or like on his
वाओ,
table. Yeah, so that's
ब्यूटीफुल।
how it's going. Yeah, thank you.
तो आपको, व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट द कम्युनिटी यू आर हैविंग? सो डू यू फील दैट इट्स बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू?
It's the one word I would say, it's a blessing. It's truly, it's a blessing, honestly. Yeah, because in the community, the everybody is like helping each other, empowering each other, and we are getting the inspiration, we are getting the I would say the strength, the hope every morning. That's like we put sankalps, right? We put intention for the day, and that's even if not, if you are not like active, if you are not on the track, you lose your track, then the community bring you on the track,
बैक।
bring
हम्म।
you, yeah, on the track.
ब्रिंग यू
So
बैक
the
ऑन द ट्रैक।
community, I would say it's a blessing. Yeah, it's a blessing. Yeah, the
ब्यूटीफुल,
only
ब्यूटीफul।
one. Yeah.
सो विल यू रिकमेंड दिस योगिक पेरेंटिंग प्रोग्राम टू अदर्स?
1000%, 1000%. Yeah. If you are a like a parent, like a mom or dad like me, who's constantly like yelling, angry, और उसको like नहीं समझ में आता है, frustration है, कुछ भी है, तो like this is for you. And it's not like for this program, yogic parenting, it's like जो दिख रहा है वो उससे भी ज्यादा है, मे बी इतना दिख नहीं रहा है क्या इसमें क्या है, बट
ओके।
अगर लाइक व्हेन वी ज्वाइन, इट्स
हम्म।
लाइक मोर देन एक्सपेक्टेशंस। Like when I joined, I did not expect. Okay, like it will be live sessions. It's like you are holding our hands. You are guiding every week. Like we will have an implementation session, right? But like when I joined, it was like a course होंगे, maybe recordings होंगी, but no, it's there is courses, there is recordings, but the weekly sessions, the community, the group, it's amazing. It's honestly, it's amazing. It's not like only for the parenting, it's like for individual self growth also.
ओके,
Yeah.
ब्यूटीफुल।
Mhm.
सो लास्ट फ्यू लाइंस क्या कहना चाहते हो आप?
Last few lines, I really, really like, as I always say and feel, okay, this course is answer to my prayers, because what I like, this is my honest feeling, right? And also, I'm truly grateful for the community, for you also, for the like, because I got a mentor, I got a coach. It's not for the as to become a good parent, to be, it's for the whole growth. I'm becoming a, like I would say, best version of myself. And also your teachings, your wisdom, it's guiding us in like पॉजिटिव वे, एंड इट्स लाइक पूरी लाइफ में आपका मतलब इतना काम आता है डे टू डे लाइफ में। एंड ऑल्सो मतलब आपका जो, जैसे शुरू में आपने बताया था जब हम कोर्स ज्वाइन कर मतलब करते हैं, आपने बताया था कि यू डोंट नीड टू फिक्स योर चाइल्ड, you need to fix yourself. You need, like, this program, it's like reparenting yourself first.
Yes, that's the whole essence.
Right?
Exactly.
Yes. Like, this is the line I always remember. Like, I need to reparenting myself. I need to heal myself first. I need to heal my inner child. Like,
Exactly.
right? Then it's easy
Hmm.
to become a good parent, to become a loving parent, and more aware. Right?
Exactly.
So thank you so, so very much, Ishu. You are a blessing and you are a like angel in our community.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you so
thank you
much.
so
And I'm
much.
really glad to have you in my community. And I'm amazed at your transformation. More power to
Yeah.
you. More
And
blessings to
like
you.
it's
Thank you so much.
more transformation on the way. And
Yeah.
like soon, yeah, yeah,
Always, always
yeah,
work in
yeah.
progress. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jaspreet.
Thank you
And thank
so
you.
much, Ishu. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.